Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good afternoon to our lecturer, T.S. Mohamad bin Mustafa. I am Farah Shuhada binti Hassan, and my other group members Mohamad Najibbuddin bin Abdullah and Mohamad Amri bin Jifferi. Our group will present about swimming pool. Okay, I will present about introduction. A swimming pool is an incredible area where many reasons one may enjoy the enjoyment and swimming. There are three primary type of swimming pool according the ARSHA standard. Excess humidity is the major problem of pool, and swimming pool need to consistently evaporate 150 to 250 grams of water each hour from surface of the water. Moisture infiltrate progressively into every hole. Brick and cinder blocks become fracture of the construction of concrete become weak because of corrosion. Excess humidity may also result in a high level of indoor air pollution, lead to severe human alignment. Humidity control is essential for indoor pool due to various factors such as healthy, hygiene, and safety. Indoor pool can be great source of entertainment and are common in mainly as country. It's offer climate mitigation. Next, the humidity is such pool can also more grow through fog, frequent accident, condensation of wind, a glass panel, AC grill, wood root, water root, and also increased maintenance costs and unpleasant humidity level for people. Next, humidity management in a pool area is essential for swimmer, but it can ensure the stability for the pool and surrounding building. Dehumidification system can help people owner reduce energy costs. Most of heating losses that occur in indoor pool is due to evaporation the water of the surface of the pool. Many pool dehumidifiers were built to follow storage instruction. Lastly, inexpensive humidifiers are high efficient and will avoid of reduce the problem associated with moist air. Controlling the humidity around indoor swimming pool is an efficient way to maintain the integrity of surrounding building and protect swimming from potential health hazard. Next, I will present about objective of our project, which is to maintain the humidity of environment in swimming pool area. Second, to calculate the evaporates, the volume and the area of swimming pool and area of the indoor swimming pool area. Lastly, to find a suitable dehumidifier to make the humidity remain with the set temperature. Next is building description. This swimming pool is for residential swimming pool with 4 meter for width, 7 meter in length, and 1.5 meter for depth. So this is the example of indoor swimming pool in a residential. So next, swimming pool must be developed and accurate in accordance with the waterproofing standard laid out in British Standard 8007/1987. These are during the 7-day last day test period. The total permissible drop in water level after allowing the evaporation should not exceed 1/15 of the average water depth of the full tank, 10 millimeters or other specific amount. This is in the British Standard. So while the design, the building technique of pool difference, and the swimming pool usually rely on comparable principle. So next, this is dehumidifier and air temperature we set for swimming pool. Air temperature 30 degrees, air humidifier 60%, air velocity 0.5, and minimum fresh air supply is 4 until 10. So the swimming pool water should be heat at acceptable temperature in a typical indoor pool, and the pool water is typically heat by temperature between 27 degree to 29 degrees Celsius. In other words, when the pool water temperature is 27, the temperature of the air in the pool hall must maintain 29 to 30 degrees Celsius. Humidity in a typical indoor is regulated with approximately 60 to 65% RH to provide a comfortable environment for bath and minimize condition in a pool hall structure. Lastly, as a relative humidity decrease, the related of evaporation increase, and the heat loss of pool water increase answerably with dehumidifier requirement. So this is our HVAC design, which is have length of room 40 meter and width 9 meter, and our swimming pool 7 times 4 meter. So from a room we have a storage room, which is we put the humidifier for the process, and at the room have a set for humidity 60% and temperature for 30 degrees.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okey, saya Mohamad Najibbuddin akan menerangkan tentang design dan analisis. Okey, design dan analisis untuk projek kami ini iaitu swimming pool. Pertama sekali kita kena mengira area for pool. Okey, untuk panjang swimming pool kita 7 meter dan kelebaran dia 4 meter. Jadi area yang kita dapat ialah 28 meter square. Okey. Berdasarkan HVAC Handbook 2011, evaporation rate ialah WP sama dengan 4 kali 10 kuasa negatif 5 darab A area, PW tolak PA darab dengan FA. So WP ialah evaporation rate yang dia punya unit dalam kilometer per second, dan area dia area for pool meter square yang kita dah cari tadi. PW saturation vapor pressure taken at surface water temperature, unit dia kPa kilopascal. PA saturation pressure at room at dew point juga unit dia kPa, dan FA activity factor. Activity factor ni berdasarkan kolam kita, apakah aktiviti yang dijalankan di kolam tersebut. Okey, seterusnya kita kena tentukan activity factor. Activity factor berdasarkan projek kami ialah residential pool. So FA dia 0.5. Kita ambil 0.5, dan untuk value PW yakni saturation vapor pressure taken at surface water temperature. Suhu yang diambil ialah 25 Celsius water. Suhu air kita 25 Celsius, dan unit PW yang kita ambil ialah 3.17 kPa. 3.17 kPa. Untuk value PA pula, iaitu saturation pressure at room air dew point. Temperature dalam bilik itu kita ambil 30. Jadi untuk nilai kPa dia ialah 2.55, iaitu pada RH 60%, dan kita dapat 2.55 kPa. Jadi setelah dapat nilai-nilai tersebut, kita masukkan dalam formula. Okey. WP kita nak cari area 28, PW 3.17 kPa, PA kita 2.55 kPa, FA kita 0.5, yakni residential pool. Okey. Masukkan dalam formula dan kita dapat 0.0000347 kilo per second. Jadi kita tukarkan kepada liter per hour, yakni 1.69 liter per hour, dan untuk projek kami ini, kami perlu mencari liter per day untuk menentukan dehumidification unit yang mana kita mahu gunakan. Jadi setelah didarabkan dengan 24 hours, kami dapat 40.56 liter per day. Jadi kami kena mencari dehumidification unit yang sesuai dengan evaporation rate yang kami telah dapat ini, iaitu 40.56 liter per day.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohamad Amri bin Jifferi, and today I would like to present about the discussion for our swimming pool. Okay, swimming pool dehumidifier are used in this project to remove excess moisture from indoor pool areas, which can harm the wood structure of room and lead mold and middle grow behind baseboard or other areas. And then unfortunately, allowing for the rise in humidity that allows mold to grow is one of the more ignored aspect of creating an indoor pool. To avoid a humidity problem in indoor pool, a relative humidity of 50 to 60% is advised. For pool dehumidification system, the basic rule is to keep air temperature 2 degrees higher than the water temperature. The size of the swimming pool dehumidifier depends on the room size, its relationship to the home, the roof structure, the number of windows, and so on. Consult with a professional who knows all the answer when it comes to selecting the right size. Okay, swimming pool dehumidifier employ the blower to take air from the areas and circulate it over cool coils, causing moisture to condense, and then the condensation then drain out the bottom of the device through a little house. This easy procedure remove extra moisture and maintain a comfortable level of humidity. And then from this project, we apply the CDP40 swimming pool dehumidifier. There are some advantage with the CDP40 swimming pool, such light and compact unit, very low sound level, very low power consumption, high dehumidification capacity, built-in electronic hygrostat and thermostat, BMS communication, USB gate for the PC tool, control signal for additional exhaust fan, optional wireless remote control, and optional built-in water heating coils and electric heating coils. Okay, this is the selection of the condensed dehumidifier. Okay, for our project, this is the detail about the how we apply the dehumidifier based on the pool area. Okay, based on the figure 1 and figure 2 show the suitable detail to install the condensed dehumidifier according to the pool area. From this part, the project is range 28 meters square, so we apply the CDP T40 to this project. This condensed dehumidifier is suitable for smaller private swimming pool and spa pool. Okay, for this project, we going to the residential part. Okay, then the humid air is passed over a cold coil, which evaporated in the cooling unit. And then in a condensed dehumidifier, where the water vapor in the air condense and becomes water. Okay, the cooling unit works by evaporating a refrigerant at low pressure and low temperature in the evaporator, and then condense it at high pressure and temperature in the condenser on the compressor's other side. And then the condensation process, as well as the compressor and the fan power input, generate the energy in a condenser dehumidifier. Okay, for the conclusion, we conclude that a designer faced a difficult problem in ensuring swimming comfort and the proper operation of the swimming pool amenities. And then because of the importance of technical solution in the material selection, building construction and engineering system design, this entails a great deal of responsibility. The capacity, the efficiency, safety and resource of the building are all influenced by the decisions. According to the analysis, a swimming pool supply and exhaust ventilation with one or two dehumidifier to lower relative humidity to the required level is the best solution for surplus moisture removal, ventilation and dehumidification. This frequently occur in the summer when the dehumidifying performance of the supply exhaust ventilation system is sufficient to use the pool when the ventilation system drying capacity is insufficient. The combined use of ventilation and dehumidifier can keep relative humidity at the low level, eliminate discomfort and condensation on windows, walls and steel structure. Okay, that's all. Thank you.